For us in the US, the biggest fire safety challenges facing rail rolling stock. As a regulator, we're concerned about new emerging technologies such as lithium-ion batteries and hydrogen, and just understanding the fire risk associated with these advanced technologies. And so we're really trying to understand what fire suppression looks like, what training and emergency response look like, and also standards, like how can we get the standards up to the level of technology deployment. For us in the US, collaboration is super important because as a regulator, we need to work with our industry to ensure that safety is front and foremost in standards development. And so our research supports some of the science needed for standards development. Collaboration on a global level is also important because most of our manufacturers for equipment in the US are European or Asian based. And so we need to understand what these different regions are doing in terms of fire safety. So for us in the US, the Federal Railroad Administration, we work closely with the American passenger rail corporations, their associations in developing standards. So collaboration is all that there is. In terms of evolution of the fire protection arena in 5 to 10 years, I think we'll have a better understanding of these new emerging technologies and how we can address fires. I think we'll also have a really pretty good understanding of what's needed for the human factor side of fires. You know, folks talk about intentional fire creation, and so how do we handle parts of our population that might want to do harm? We also going to see AI. How can we bring AI into providing more safety within the context of fire and fire scenarios? I think we also have to be cautious in use of the AI technology because it has to be coupled with data, and the way to get data is to actually do tests and studies, and where humans are part of it and we're gathering that human-based data versus the AI just reading off of literature search, which is all theoretical. So we need practical data coupled with AI tools to bring us into the next generation of fire safety.